In today's video, I will teach you how to design Tumblr graphics using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword Tumblr graphics to open Canva's template library containing tons of customizable templates for Tumblr graphics. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters in the sidebar to narrow down your choices. To start from scratch, you can simply click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner, click on the Custom Size option, and input your desired width and height. And once you've chosen the right template for you, you can now customize the template based on your preferred design. With Canva's drag and drop tools, you can easily transform and personalize any template. To add or change the images, simply open the Uploads tab and click on the Upload Files button to import images from your computer. And Canva also lets you import media from Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, and Google Photos. Simply click on the three dots right next to the Upload Files button. You can also choose from Canva's stock library that contains over 1 million photographs, graphics, and illustrations. In the Elements tab, you can search for different graphics and illustrations by simply typing in the keyword of the element that you wish to see. To add text, go to the Text tab and choose among the different text types and text combination presets available in Canva's text library. To change fonts, you can simply click on the text that you wish to edit, and in the top panel, you can click on the Font Style drop-down menu and choose among hundreds of fonts from Canva's font library. To change the background, simply click on the background, and at the top panel, you can choose which color you would like to replace your background with. Alternatively, you can drag the image that you wish to replace your background with and wait until the image clips in and snaps into place. To upload your design to Tumblr, simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Tumblr. To save your work directly to your device, simply click on the Download button and set the file format to either PNG or JPG for stationary images and MP4 or GIF for videos. Then click on the Download button and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.